Hello, my friends. I'm Lisa. Welcome to my miniature house. Wow! Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Barbie. Welcome to my dream house. Woo!
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Ken.
Let's go party.
Sure, Ken.
So thirsty. I need to drink something. I have an idea with Barbie. Poke, poke, poke. Ta-da! Put the light in the can. Light up.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can.
Do you like that Barbie light? It's so easy to make. Try this. Very interesting. Now to the main part. Today, I will show you how to make Barbie dream house with pinky bed and more interesting things from cardboard. Hope you love it.
Wow!
The bed must be bling bling sparkling. I choose shimmer pink.
Wow.
Gems border and much more. Princess Barbie bed, gorgeous. Next will be a soft cotton mattress.
Yes, that's it.
More sparkling. Ta-da! Two cute little pillow. Barbie needs a pretty dress and some accessories. Need to make a wardrobe first. To make a beautiful dress,
Wow.
we need a model. Can you guess what it is? That tissue paper. I dyed it pink. Much more flour. And beads. Gorgeous and luxurious.
Ooh, what's this?
Let's see what we will get. Wow, cute pink hat. Tiny heart bag. Luxury high heels. And lovely ballet flats. All in the closet.
Wow, that's wonderful!
Barbie will love this bedroom. kitchen cabinet in here. Oven there. Pinky gas stove. The table is there. The chairs are missing. One, two, three lovable chairs. And sweet strawberry cake.
Hi guys, I'm Barbie. How are you today? This is my lovely kitchen. Come eat cake with me. Lisa made me this dress. So beautiful. This bed is so soft.
Kitchen and bedroom is completed. Put the cover here to make the second floor. It will be so much fun. Have you guessed what the second floor is? Let's party! Finish this house with 2 garages for Barbie and Ken.
Hi, Barbie! You want to go for a ride?
Sure, Ken.
And spiral slide for pool party. Works well. Barbie Dreamhouse is completed. We have 2 garages for Barbie and Ken on the ground floor, with a small garden, sparkling bedroom, and modern kitchen on the middle floor, and a greatest bar on the top floor. And the amazing pool spiral slide.